How to stop Gmail from using your emails for smart features. If you want to limit how Gmail uses your email content for smart features and personalization, this video will show you which settings to check on your phone or computer. Gmail includes features powered by Google's smart technologies, such as suggested replies, email organization, and Gemini features. If you don't use these features or prefer more control over your data, you can review the available settings. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone or Android phone. You can also open Gmail in your web browser. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, then scroll down and select Settings. On Android, tap your email address under the Settings section. On iPhone, look for the available data privacy options. Now, find Google Workspace Smart Features. Depending on your account and Gmail version, you may see settings related to smart features and personalization.
Review these options carefully. If you don't want Google Workspace content to be used to personalize your experience across Workspace services, turn off the Available Smart Features setting. You may also see another Smart Features option that controls personalization across other Google products. If you prefer not to use this personalization, you can turn that setting off as well. Keep in mind that turning off these options may disable or limit certain Gmail features, such as some smart suggestions and personalized experiences. Also, these settings can vary depending on your Google account, region, device, and workspace administrator settings. That's how you can manage Gmail smart features and limit personalization based on your privacy preferences. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.